Thinking about university, fantastic. But let's be brutally honest, the costs go way beyond just your tuition fees. Many students get a nasty shock when the reality hits. It's not just about books and learning, you see. It's about living, eating, sleeping, and yes, even having a little bit of fun. So you absolutely must plan for everything. In this video, I will tell you about student finance, hidden costs and tips. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. 1. Housing costs are a massive chunk of your spending, a really big one. London is, unsurprisingly, the most expensive. You could be paying hundreds a week there. Cities like Manchester, Bristol or Edinburgh are also pricey. But even smaller university towns can surprise you. Sometimes sharing a house can save you a packet. Always do your research. Location matters, your comfort matters, but your budget matters most. Don't overstretch. Then there are your everyday living expenses. Cooking saves a fortune. Utilities like gas, electricity, and water add up, especially in shared houses. Your internet bill is another essential. Don't forget transport, bus fares, train tickets. They nibble at your cash. And yes, you'll want some money for socializing. It's all part of the uni experience, but it needs budgeting. And what about those sneaky hidden costs? Oh yes, they exist. Textbooks can be shockingly expensive. Some courses require specific software or equipment. Think art supplies, lab coats, or calculators. Printing essays and lecture notes cost money. Society memberships, while great for social life, often have fees. Field trips, if your course has them, might not be fully covered. These little things can add up to a hefty sum over the year. Be aware. 2. Now let's talk tuition fees. The system isn't the same everywhere in the UK. In England, universities can charge up to £9,250 a year. So how do you pay these fees? Most UK students get a tuition fee loan. This usually covers the full cost of your course. You don't pay it upfront. The money goes directly from the government to your university. Only start repaying this loan once you've graduated and are earning above a certain amount or plan to loan. It's important to understand how this works. It's a loan, not free money. On top of tuition fees, you need money to live. This is where maintenance loans come in. These are designed to help with accommodation, food, and other living costs. How much you get depends on your household income. It's means tested. It also depends on where you study. Students in London get more because it's pricier. This money is paid directly into your bank account. You'll need to budget it carefully to make it last each term. But wait, there's more. Some students can get extra help that doesn't need repaying. These are grants and bursaries. These are often for students from lower income families or for those with disabilities or students who have children or adult dependents. Many universities offer their own bursaries too, so check their websites. Dig deep. You might be eligible for this free cash. It can make a huge difference. Always apply if you think you might qualify. 3. Let's get practical. Next is, you need a budget. Check out the full video on my YouTube channel. Also, connect with me on social media platforms for more tips and updates.